These are the Fiskars Micro Tip Pruning Snips, and I use them constantly. They're small, lightweight, and really precise, which makes them perfect for detailed work where you don't want to damage a plant. I use these for trimming houseplants, shaping new growth, cutting herbs, even bringing in fresh flowers from the garden. The micro tip blades cut evenly all the way to the tip so you can get into tight spaces without crushing stems or leaves. They're sharp but controlled, which is exactly what you want for healthy cuts and repeat trimming. I also really appreciate the spring assist design. It gently opens after each cut so your hand doesn't get tired, especially if you're doing a lot of snipping at once. The grip is comfortable, easy to control, and there's a simple lock and blade cover for safe storage. If you do any kind of houseplant care, herb harvesting, or small garden tasks, these are a great tool.